Hello friends, today we will be discussing longest common subsequence problem of dynamic programming. So friends, what is longest common subsequence problem? As the name suggests, longest and common is clear, but what is the subsequence? Subsequence of a string. See, we have here two strings, string A and string B. We have to find the longest common subsequence. We will see what is the subsequence of this string A. What is the subsequence of this string A is the sequence of characters from this string need not to be continuous, but their order should match from this string. Say what is the subsequence of this string A can be AB can be a subsequence, CA can be a subsequence, AD can be a subsequence. AD order is same, but can you say DA is a subsequence of this string A? No, DA cannot be a subsequence because order of this DA is not matching with order of these alphabets in this string. Okay, so this is not the subsequence. Same way we can find all subsequence of string B. AD can be a subsequence, BA can be a subsequence, AC can be a subsequence, and so on. So in this longest common subsequence problem, we have to find the longest common subsequence, length of longest common subsequence of these two strings. Okay, length as well, and what is the subsequence of these two strings. Since this is a small string, what we can do, we can manually find the longest common subsequence of this string. See, A is common. Okay, B, same order, A, and D. This is one of the longest common subsequence of these two strings A and B. Okay, we can have other subsequences possible also. Now, what is the practical application of this longest common subsequence problem? DNA matching. This problem is actually used to solve the DNA matching because the length there is huge. So friends, let's come and solve this longest common subsequence problem for these two strings A and B using our matrix approach. Okay, so what I have done is I have created a matrix. On the column of the matrix, I have put the elements of string B, and on row I have put the elements of string A. Okay, so by default what I will do, I will put values as 0. For first row and first column of the matrix, I will put values as 0. Okay, so what these values actually represent, these values in each cell actually represents my length of longest common subsequence. Okay, clear? Now what we can say, since this is dynamic programming approach, we will divide the problem and store the computed result and use it later on. Okay, so let's say we have string A with only character as A and string B with only character as A. Okay, both the strings has only character AA. What will be the length of the longest common subsequence? It will be 1 only, right? Other way to solve is, what we have to do, if these two values are same, what we have to do, we have to take the diagonal element and add 1. Same as we have to include, because these two are same, we have to include this element. So we have to take diagonal element plus 1. If these both are different, what we have to do, we have to take maximum of this or this, whichever is maximum we will take that. Okay, and we will put the respective arrows. Okay, now if say, and now this value is coming from here. Okay, if say these both are different, okay, or other way to think of this is, a string A has only character as A and string B has characters as A and D. What will be the common length? Common length will be 1 only. Okay, and from where this value is coming? This value is coming from here. Same way, if I will take B, these two are different. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to take maximum of this or this. Maximum of 0 and 1 is 1. Maximum from 0 and 1, maximum value is 1 only. So I'll write 1. From where this 1 is coming? Here. These both are different, these both are same. So what I have to do, I have to take diagonal element plus 1. What is the value of diagonal element? It is 1. 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. From where it is coming? It is coming from here. Okay. Now again these both are different, so what we have to do? Maximum of these two. This will be 1, value is coming from here. These both are different, 1, value is coming from here. Clear? Now these both are different, so what I have to do? Maximum of this and this. Okay, 0 and 1, maximum is 1. From where this value is coming? From up. Okay, because maximum of 0 and 1 is 1, so I have taken 1, and from where this value is coming? This is coming from, this is coming upwards, so arrow is upwards. So basically this is the same approach कि we are these both are different, so we are including any one of them. Okay, B and D both are different. What I have to do? I have to take maximum of this and this. What will be maximum value? 1. From where it is coming? Because both are same, I can put arrow anywhere I want. B and B both are same, so what I have to do? I have to take diagonal plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and diagonal. B and A both are different, so what I have to do? I have to take maximum of this or this. Maximum is 2, value is coming from here. Both are different, maximum of this 1 and 2, maximum is 2, value is coming from here. Both are different, maximum of this and this, that is 2, value is coming from here. Okay, next row. C and A both are different, so what I have to do? I have to take maximum of these and this. What, from where this value is coming? This value is coming from here, maximum is this, so I will write this. Both are different, again maximum 1, value is coming say from here. Both are different, value is maximum is 2, upwards arrow. Both are different, maximum of 2 and 2, it will be 2, say arrow, I'll put arrow. I can put arrow upwards also, no issues. C and C, value is same, so diagonal plus 1, so this will be 2 plus 1, 3, and arrow this way. Both are different, so maximum of these two, this will be 3, and the arrow is this way. Okay, both are same, so diagonal plus 1, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, arrow is diagonal. Both are different, so what I have to do is this or this. Maximum of among these two is 1, arrow I'll put this way. Both are different, so maximum 1 and 2, among 1 and 2 which is maximum? 2 is maximum, upwards arrow. A and A both are same, so what I have to do is I have to take diagonal plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, and put it diagonally. Both are different, so what I have to do is I have to take maximum of these two, this will be 3, and arrow I will put this side. Both are different, maximum 3, arrow this way. Both are different, so I will put 0 plus 1, that is your 1, arrow this way. Both are different, so in this case both are different, so maximum of these and two will be 1, and arrow will be upwards. Okay, both are different, so what will I do is maximum of these two, that will be 1, and say arrow this way. Both are same, so diagonal plus 1, that is 2, and arrow diagonally. Both are different, so maximum 2 of 2 and 3 is this, and diagonal is upwards. Both are different, so maximum of these two is 3, and diagonal this way. Both are different, so maximum is 3, and diagonal arrow this way. Both are different, so maximum 1, arrow upwards. Both are same, so diagonal plus 1, arrow diagonally. Both are different, so maximum of 2, and arrow this way. Again both are different, so arrow upwards. Both are different, so arrow this way. Both are same, so what we have to do is 3 plus 1, 4, arrow this way. So friends, this is my final length of longest common subsequence. Okay, 4. Now friends, what is the longest common subsequence? Okay, that we have to find. We will backtrace our matrix. Okay, so we have arrows over here. So since this arrow is diagonal, so diagonal arrow implies you have to include. If diagonal is there, then you have to include that element. If arrow is this way or upwards, you don't have to include. Okay, so this is the formula that we have to use, that we are using it, okay, including and excluding. So for the arrow is diagonal, so D and D same, so D is included in my longest common subsequence. I'll come over here, this arrow is saying leftwards, I'll come over here, upwards I'll come over, I'm not including any of the elements in case of this way or this way. I'll come over here, this is what diagonal. If it is diagonal, you have to include what is the element A and A, I have to include, okay. I will include this, I'll come over here, this is upwards, I'll go upwards, I'll not include this upward, I'll not include, I'll go upwards. This is diagonal, these both are same, so what I will do, I will write B, both are B, okay. This is diagonal, okay, diagonally it will come over here, this is leftward, I don't have to include, I'll only include elements pertaining to diagonal, okay. So it will come over here, this is diagonal, okay. So what I have to do, I have to write A and A, I have to include. So friends, this is my one of the longest common possible subsequence. There can be other possible subsequence also, because see in this case what happened, how can we find other common subsequence? This arrow I have put, because these both values are same, I have taken arrow this way, I can take arrow that this way also, okay. In this case, if I would have taken arrow this way, I would have gone over here, and same way your subsequence would have changed according to your arrows, okay. Got it? So friends, let's come and write the formula for this. What is the formula to fill a value in this matrix, okay. So I have named this matrix as matrix I comma j, okay. Matrix I comma j value will be equal to, what is the condition? If the value in string A, that is A of I, is equal to B of j, if both values are same, okay, in that case what will be the value of matrix I comma j? Value of matrix I comma j in that case will be equal to matrix I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1, okay. Else if these both values are different, what will be the value of matrix I comma j? Matrix I comma j value in that case will be equal to maximum of matrix I minus 1 j comma matrix I j minus 1, okay friends. I hope this formula is clear. Cells in this you can see this formula can be applicable to any of the cells, okay. Thank you friends, keep watching, please do subscribe and share. Thanks.